guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ashika and I'm a CBSE 10th grader, and our pre-boards are literally super close, and this is the time when notes pile up, your revision lists look endless, and the motivation just disappears. And yeah, that is me right now. But this time I decided to study smarter, not harder, and I found this really cool PDF tool known as Wondershare PDF Element. And honestly, it has been a game changer. From summarizing my notes to organizing all of the paperwork that I have, it has made my life so much better, and it has saved me so much time as well. So in today's video, I'll be showing you all how I'm using this to make my pre-board preparation so much more efficient and to make finals week a lot less stressful. So make sure that you watch this video to the very end, because I'm sure that this tool can help you all out as well. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video, and make sure to subscribe my channel if you haven't already. And yeah, let's start. So now let me show you how to install this app. Search up Wondershare PDF Element on Google, click on the first link, and then it will take you to this website. Now all you need to do is click on the free download button. Yes guys, you can literally download it for free, and there are so many features which I'll talk about further in the video. First of all, we can digitize our notes to convert them into PDFs, and we won't have to flip through pages of paper. So these are my notes, and I can just click on the scan button and quickly scan my notes to convert them into PDF instantly. And if you want to upload any PDF, you can just go on the create PDF button, and then you can go to file option, and you can upload whatever PDF you like, and after that it will open on the app, and from here we can edit it however we want. So I have uploaded my NCERT book. Now I'll convert my handwritten notes into searchable editable PDFs by OCRing it. This way you can even edit your handwritten notes however you want, and you won't have to flip through piles of paper every time. Now the OCR is complete, and as you can see, I can select the text and even highlight it within the PDF only. When you're tired, you can just let PDF Element read the text out loud.
Groundnut in the world after China. Different oil seeds are grown covering approximately 12% of the total crop.
This can be really helpful when you're feeling lazy and you just need to listen to the text to recall it in your head. It helps for revision as well. Now we can annotate the PDFs however we want. Like suppose I want to make my notes within my NCERT in the PDF itself, I can do that as well. You can add text, remove text, highlight text, underline it. Basically you can edit it like it's a Word file. Suppose I want to bold some important information, it allows me to do that as well. So I really like that. Now if you're not able to understand any particular topic, or if there is a super long paragraph, you can just ask PDF Elements AI to explain it in plain terms or summarize it for you to extract the key takeaways from that long paragraph. This feature works with your handwritten notes as well. It will save your time, and it will actually help you study smartly. As you can see, I have summarized this really long paragraph into key points, which will make it easier to learn, and also preparing for my board exams will be so much easier with this feature. In the agriculture chapter, I am facing difficulty in learning this particular paragraph because there is a lot of data in this paragraph. So I am just asking AI to summarize it for me into key pointers so that it is easier for me to learn those key pointers. Instead of wasting my time in reading the entire paragraph and then writing key pointers myself, the AI does that job for me, and this is really helpful when your pre-board exams and your board exams are so close. Now let me tell you all about my favorite feature. You can make mind maps using that button, and the entire chapter will be converted into a mind map within seconds. As you can see, within a few seconds it created the mind map for me, and it's the mind map of the entire chapter, and this will help me revise the entire chapter once I've studied it. And this is super helpful when your exams are so around the corner that you just need to quickly revise the topic. You can just go through this mind map and you'll be done. As you can see, all the topics are covered in this mind map, and for somebody who enjoys learning visually, this is a really helpful tool, and that is why it is my favorite feature from this app. You can also use its built-in study templates to plan your final study schedule, and that will just help you stay productive, and it will help you use your time efficiently. Now suppose you're not able to understand something that is written in English, you can translate it into Hindi as well, and you can understand it that way also. Finally, I upload everything to the cloud so that I can keep studying wherever I am, whether on my laptop or on my phone. Like right now, I'm doing a quick night revision on my phone using my digitalized notes. And yes, that is really helpful. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. You can definitely upgrade your study routine with PDF Element today itself. The link is in the description. Do check it out and let me know in the comments what your favorite feature from this app is. I personally really like the mind maps feature because it just summarizes the entire topic super quickly. And yes, that is it for this one. Do subscribe if you haven't till now and like this video if you enjoyed it. Love you always. Bye.